what 15-year-old FlowMaster mufflers sound like. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are going to find out what 15-year-old FlowMaster mufflers sound like. So this is my tarheelfox, my convertible, and it used to be white, but actually I had the FlowMasters put in 2004, and the only thing that has really changed now since then is still the same mufflers, but I did get new tailpipes, okay? So I don't know if you can see that there, but yeah, the tailpipes are new. Other than that, the mufflers are still on there from 2004. They have not been changed, and we're gonna find out if they snap, crackle, and pop. You know, the motor is a 331 in case you don't know, and I do have to rebuild it. I'll get into that in a minute. But let's go ahead and get on the road because it's kind of windy outside, and I'm also gonna set you guys up right by the bumper, right by the tailpipe, so you can hear what it sounds like. So let's get going. All right, so we're going down the road. I have to be really loud because it's loud inside the car. For my regular subscribers, this is not the video I was gonna make. I actually had another video lined up. I was gonna get to meet one of my sort of YouTube heroes, Matt Moran Motoring. He's a guy, the first guy that I saw ever do a video on a FoxBody on YouTube. And so I was supposed to meet up with him, but unfortunately due to weather, we were not able to do that. And so that's why I'm making this video instead. But I'm still gonna do something with Matt in the future, although he's pretty far away, so it may be quite a while. So anyway, that's why that video isn't coming. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I said I had something big planned, and I did, but unfortunately it fell through. Now, as far as this car, I probably should not be driving it. The motor is still bad. It actually lost 1/4 gallon of antifreeze in the last 200 miles. It just drank it right up. You know, no leaks or anything. So, and also that coolant is all going down the engine and it's continuing to wear out the bearings, and it could break other stuff too. So I really shouldn't be driving the car, but you know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. So as long as it doesn't overheat and it's really cold outside, which is partially why it got canceled, the thing with Matt. So all I'm gonna do is, like I said, the FlowMaster mufflers are still the same. I'm gonna let you hear it in the car and also out of the car. So let's go ahead, we'll do a couple accelerations in the car, and also I'll tell you just kind of cruising speed, what it sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here we go, windows up. I don't know if you can hear those pops, but I can certainly hear them where I'm at inside the car. You know, it's definitely loud in here. I enjoy it. I like it being loud. The other parts of the exhaust are, I've got a BBK shorty headers, I got an H-pipe, and just the FlowMasters and the 2.5-inch tailpipes. So pretty much all I'm running right now. All right, let's do one windows down. Yeah, that's still fun. If you see a lot of smoke coming out of the back of the car, yeah, it's also blowing a ton of smoke. I believe it's blowing some oil out the back as well as coolant. Those are both shooting out the back, I'm pretty sure. Like I said, motor is not healthy, but it still sounds good. It still sounds good. So anyway, enough of the inside. You kind of heard it. Windows up, windows down. Let me go ahead and put you guys on the bumper of the car and let you hear what that sounds like. Actually, before I let you hear that, I did get the car all cleaned up, like I said, because I was supposed to meet Matt, so the car looks great. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do one of my favorite things, just a quick video montage of my car with some music, because I love doing that. So let's do that real quick first. All right, so this is where you guys are at, and I'm gonna go ahead, you're pointing down to the road. I'm gonna go ahead and let you hear it. So it's a little bit windy. I might have to step back in the garage here. We'll see. But what did you guys think about that? I hope it came through in the GoPro. From what I listened, it sounded okay. So those pops, I just love them. But of course, you also saw that smoke, right? And that's not good. That's not good. It's another reason I need to get into this motor, figure out what I'm gonna do. But all that is coming. So hope you enjoyed those sound clips as much as I did. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, we are gonna get to work soon on this bad boy right here. So I'm gonna be doing that this weekend. I'll be working more on the car. I think I might even get as far, there comes the wind. Let me jump back in here. Here we go. I think I might get as far as actually putting the rear end back in the car and potentially getting it out of the garage so I can get Tar Heel Fox back in there, because I noticed on Tar Heel Fox, even though I just washed it, check this out. Already a bird found it. I cannot believe, like, oh, so frustrating. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.